Engine checkup tests your oil for grime and sediment, the condition of your oil, water or antifreeze in your oil, and the level of fuel in your oil. This video will show you how to perform engine checkup in 3 easy steps. Analyzing your engine checkup test results is very easy with the test reference card. Number 1 is the center spot, which indicates the amount of grime and sediment in your oil. If there is a lot of sediment in your oil, the center spot may become dark and can cover a large surface of your engine checkup test. Number 2 is the inner circle, which indicates the condition of your oil. The lighter the color of the inner circle, the better the condition of your oil. Number 3 tests for water or antifreeze in your oil. If there are any levels of water or antifreeze, a hard jagged ring will form around the inner circle. Number 4 tests for the level of gasoline in your oil. The outer ring will define the amount of fuel in your oil. If the ring is thick, then there's a higher level of gasoline in your oil. The outer ring is clearly identifiable by its light yellow color. Engine checkup works on all gasoline and diesel engines. Engine checkup will not work on 2-stroke engines or any engine that requires gasoline and oil mixtures. If you're unsure about the type of engine in your vehicle, please refer to your owner's manual or contact your vehicle's manufacturer. Engine checkup will test the oil of cars, SUVs, minivans, pickup trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, industrial or commercial vehicles, and 4-stroke marine engines. If you have any questions or require assistance on engine checkup, you can visit us on the web at www.enginecheckup.ca or contact us by telephone at 902-346-3007.